My target for learning is I can identify equal parts.
Hi, first grade. You are going to put your packet 13 in your bag to turn in for math as we looked at our teaching standards, and all of the regrouping is just an introduction. It does not have to be mastered. So take 13 and put it away. And now we're going to be working on packet 15, which is kind of fun because it's our second grade prep, and we always make sure we do that one before the end of the year because these are all secure skills you have to know. So today our target for learning is that I can equally split a 2D shape. I know you know all your 2D shapes, and I think you can equally split them. Let's get our math brain working. Okay, the first thing they want you to do is look at these three numbers, 16, 19, and 35. Please put them into a fact family on your piece of paper. Pause the movie. And you should have, my friends, 2 addition and 2 subtraction facts. The 2 smallest numbers we add together to make the biggest. And the 2 smaller numbers we have to subtract from 35. Okay, friends, some more review. Tell Mrs. Moore what 10 more than 40 is. You are correct. It is 50. What is 20 more than 40? You are correct. It is 60. Tell Mrs. Moore what 5 less than 78 would be. Take 5 away, you get 73. Tell Mrs. Moore what 10 less than 78 would be. 68. Correct. Let's go to 55. What is 20 more than 55, first grade? 75. What is 20 less than 55? 35. Very good. Look at the numbers 52 and 74. Which number is greater? Can you explain why it's the greater number? Dear friends, I have 3 numbers, 54, 34, and 65. Please tell me which number would be greatest if we put them in order from greatest to least. Pause the movie and write them out. Greatest to least. First graders, our target for learning is I can split 2D shapes into 2 equal parts. And if we were at school right now, I would be sharing this story with you. It is called Jump, Kangaroo Jump by Stuart Murphy. And I will share that link with your family so you can please watch that story. It has everything to do with what we're going to learn in math today. First graders, look at this piece of pizza. Everybody loves to gobble up pizza. Let's say that you were told you had to split this pizza in half or into 2 equal parts. Would you say this would be an okay way to split the pizza? Yes, you're both getting the same portion. We have split the pizza in half. Okay, let's say I have a birthday cake and I have 3 of you come into my house to have cake. How might I divide that into equal parts so you can all get a piece and myself? 65, 54, and 34. You are correct. Here is my little birthday cake that I took right out of the oven. I bet you were thinking, how can we all have an equal part? Well, if I went like this only gives me 2 parts. If I did that, friends, and then I cut each half in half, 1, 2. How many pieces do I have? Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This line isn't perfect. I would have to fix that one a little bit. But here, I would be comfortable giving each of you an equal part. If we were at Grandmash Elementary School, you would all be sorting some cards, equal and unequal. Mrs. Moore has some different ones for you to try to see if you understand equal and unequal. I always think if I think of it like I want the same amount as you, I know you can figure it out.
let's look at our assignment.
So you already have this math packet at home. It is called Second Grade Prep because they want to make sure before you move on that the secure skills are right in your brain. So let's look at our first assignment today. The directions are to color equal parts pink and unequal yellow. So I would look at the parts of this 2D shape. This square has 4 parts. Are they equal? Goodness, no. So I'm skipping over it. This oval has 4. Not going to be pink. This trapezoid, remember you have to know all your shapes, not equal. We're moving on to this one. 4 equal parts. Color this shape pink. That would be all equal. With my yellow then, I would go back. It says color the unequal parts yellow. So here I go, coloring in all of the parts that are not equal yellow. I can't wait to see your work, first grade. First graders, if you are up for the challenge, do this page. If not, put an X on it. Thank you.